So now I'm going to describe my card design. So first of all, here we have the congratulations text with two small images at both sides. We have this background image, and at the bottom we have the from text. So this congratulations is the text view, and these both small images must be image view, but at the developer side I found one more attribute called drawable start and drawable end, which allowed me to couple these two images with this text view only. And for this is an image view, and this one would be a text view. And I'm going to use the relative layout for this, since I want to position the text views and this image view with relative to the parent. So now we get to the code. So here, so first of all, I have relative layout, then namespace declaration. The layout width and layout height attribute is set to match parents because we want to use the total space available at any device where our app runs. Then we have this image view because the image is the background, so it must be declared first. So the image source is set as drawable minion, which is the name of the image used as background, and the image is present, as you can see, in the res drawable folder here. And then I've set the layout width and height as match parent. Again, we want to use the whole available space on any device. Then the scale type is center crop because we don't want any small images on a bigger device. This is running fine in Nexus 5, but if we take any tab like this one, then also it should run fine. It should take the whole space available. I'm gonna switch back to Nexus 5 or Nexus 5, where it is. Okay, I'll take a pixel. And then we have the text view, the congratulations part. I've declared the ID for whatever future purposes I may want it, and then the layout width and layout height is set to wrap content so that it takes the space it needs. Then the text is set as congratulations, as you can see, and I use text size at 28 scale pixels. This 28 is I've taken arbitrary number. Then there is text color, which are taken from the material design website. Then this background attribute, it sets the background for the text view we are using. Now this is the attribute which I saw from the Android developers website, and what it does is drawable start. It takes a picture or better an image and positions it at the start of the text view where the text view starts. So I have this party one image. It starts at well just before the text view, and then this next attribute is drawable end, which starts as soon as the text view ends. So here we can see these two images at both of the sides of the text view. And then we have margin top, and we set as 10 dp. And then there is center horizontal. This attribute, layout center horizontal, this attribute is used to center the text view with respect to the screen sides. Then it's set as true, that means we want to center it. And lastly, I've used the font family to change the font style, which is set as sans serif condensed. Then we come to the last text view, the from part. Here also I have declared an ID for it. Then we have text attribute, which is from Abhishek. You may use whatever you want. And then there is text size 36 sp, again an arbitrary number. And then here to position this text view, I've used layout align parent bottom, which is set as true. That means it'll align the text view to the bottom of the screen of your device. Then I want it in the bottom right corner, so I use another attribute which is layout align parent right, and set it as true so that it is aligned to the right of the screen of your device. Then the layout height and width is set as wrap content so that it takes whatever space it wants. Then the text color is there, which is the hex code for this red color. And then we have padding right and bottom so that we don't see that text squished up to the corner, which I have set as 20 dp for right here, this part, and 10 dp for from the bottom. I have not set any padding for top and left corner. Then again there is the font family attribute, which is sans serif light, and then we close this tag and the relative layout. So this is how it would look on a phone. I'm not using an emulator, so I took a screenshot of my phone, and now I'm gonna show it to you, which is here, this one. This is how it will look like on a phone, on my phone. Okay, so that's all for my video. I hope you like it.